Cayman GT4 is back, and so is the Boxster Spyder. This time they're called the 718 Cayman GT4 and 718 Spyder respectively, and the mid-engine Porsches are packing even more punch than before. We absolutely adored the Cayman GT4 and Boxster Spyder when we drove them a few short years ago, and this duo promises to be better yet. We'll talk about them as a pair, because the upgrades are pretty much identical across the board. Sitting amidship is a 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat-six engine. Porsche says it's a new engine, and it develops 414 horsepower and 309 pound-feet of torque on its way up to an 8,000 revolutions per minute redline. The new 4.0-liter is based on the same family of turbocharged engines in the new 911, but Porsche has re-engineered it for a non-boosted application. Don't mistake it for a detuned version of the 911 GT3 engine that makes 500 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque. Though, that one revs out to a glorious 9,000 revolutions per minute. The engine in these cars uses Porsche's adaptive cylinder control technology, so in low-load situations, it's able to temporarily interrupt the injection process in one of the two-cylinder banks. For now, it looks like a sizable upgrade over the 911's derived 3.8-liter flat-six that came in the previous generation of these cars. Porsche enthusiasts will be happy to know that both cars come equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission only. There's an auto blip function that can be toggled on and off, so no worries if you'd like to heel and toe on your own. Both the coupe and convertible feature identical 0 to 60 miles per hour sprints of 4.2 seconds. Interestingly, that's exactly the same as the previous GT4. The coupe will top out at 188 miles per hour, while the Spyder gets to 187 miles per hour. Big surprise, read, sarcasm, the 911 GT3 is still faster.